Hi guys! So I'm excited to share with you my new toy in the kitchen. So I've been in baking mode lately, and I've just been using the handheld mixer, but it sometimes like, and then I just kneading manually, and it gets tiresome sometimes. So I decided to buy myself a compact mixer. I don't want to buy the big one. This is like a compact one. This is only like, it weighs 5 pounds, and this is only 3.5 quarts. So if you're just starting like me, this is perfect for us because it's pretty small, and the color is so pretty. It's almond cream. So they have 5 colors in there. So it's this one. I'm showing you in place. So they have these colors. This is what I got, the almond cream, but they have this rose pink. On the review, it's so pretty. And they have this is the agave green, the onyx black, and then the passionate red. So this is the kitchen in the box. It's so pretty. So this is 10 speed, and so cute. And what I like about this one is it came with not just like the regular, like the whisk, but it came with 3. So this is the one that you can use for the dough, and this one is the beater. I love it. And then this one is the whisk. So it came with 3 attachments, and I love the fact that, where is it? Okay, so the head will tilt also. Look how elegant that looks. So pretty. But it's only $69. And you twist it, and then the head pops up. And I love the fact that it came with this splash guard, because you know, like when you do like the flour, like it just splashes everywhere. And I love the fact that it came with this splash guard, and it's also like and the base, because I had one before, but like it moves. But this one, the base actually, like you can lock. You see it in here? I'm not sure if you can see the word locked here. You can actually lock it. So, and it came with 2 bowls. We have the stainless steel one. It's 3.5 quarts bowls, and this is the ABS plastic bowls. So all you gotta do is you put it in here, and you can twist it to lock it so it doesn't go anywhere. And there's also like the thing and in the bottom, so it doesn't move when you're using it. And look how, and then to just, if you put it down, you just twist it, turn this, and it just goes down like that. And it has, I think, 7. Yeah, 7. It depends on what you use. It goes up to 7 in here. So 7. No, 10. Sorry, it's 10 speed. Yeah, 10 speed. So if you need the highest one, then you can use the 10. It's so pretty, so cute. I love it. So worth it for my $69. And yeah, I love the fact it has 2. And I haven't tried yet, though. I'm so excited. I've been baking lately. So the stainless also locked. And you can remove the splash guard too if you don't want it. You just you pull it down, and then here you go. And you can use the plastic one and the stainless steel one. This is but if you're a big baker and you need a bigger one, they have a bigger one in there. But I think the bigger one is like $89 or $92. But I just want a smaller one because I don't really bake a lot. I'm just starting in baking, so this is perfect for me. So cute. And it's like it's not like so wide. It's it's compact. So it's perfect. I can't wait to bake another batch. Thank you.